Hinges repair and deep cleaning on Lenovo IdeaPad 15ITL05 laptop. Thank you, Sir Jerkin, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Having the hinges repaired and undergoing a full deep cleaning on the Lenovo IdeaPad 5 is a wise and proactive decision made by the customer, especially when the service is done by a trusted professional repair shop. Over time, laptop hinges can become loose, misaligned, or even break due to daily wear and tear, and if left unchecked, this can lead to damage to the screen or internal components. By addressing the hinge issue early, the customer prevents the risk of more costly repairs in the future. At the same time, deep cleaning the laptop removes accumulated dust and debris that often clog cooling fans and vents. This improves airflow, reduces the risk of overheating, and helps the laptop maintain its peak performance and reliability. Regular maintenance like this extends the overall lifespan of a device and ensures a smoother, more efficient user experience. By choosing PTT IT Solutions, you're ensuring that your laptop is handled with care and precision. This dual service not only solves immediate problems, but also acts as preventive maintenance, minimizing the risk of future hardware failure and preserving the smooth operation of your device. Hinges repair and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your hinges repair and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.